In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirror a layer in Photopea. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure the layer you want to mirror is visible in the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. You can mirror almost any type of layer, including text, images, or graphics. Let's start with a text layer as an example. Select the Type tool from the left toolbar, click on your canvas, and type your desired text. Once your text is ready, go to the Layers panel, right-click on the text layer, and choose Duplicate Layer. Creating a duplicate is important because it allows you to keep the original layer unchanged while using the second layer as the mirrored version. After selecting the duplicated layer, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, hover over Transform, and then choose either Flip horizontally or Flip vertically, depending on the direction of the mirror effect you want to create. If you want the reflection to appear below the original text, select Flip vertically. Once flipped, use the Move tool to drag the mirrored layer into position beneath the original text. You can also reduce the opacity of the mirrored layer from the Layers panel to create a more realistic reflection effect. Now, if you want to mirror an image instead of text, the process is very similar. Click on File at the top left corner and choose Open and Place to import your image into the project. Resize and position the image as needed, then right-click on the image layer in the Layers panel and choose Duplicate Layer. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Edit, hover over Transform, and this time choose Flip horizontally if you want the mirror to appear on the side. After flipping, manually drag the duplicated layer into place. If needed, hold Ctrl or Command on your keyboard and select both layers together. Enable transform controls from the top bar and adjust their size or position on the canvas for better alignment. This method works for any layer type in Photopea, and this is how you can mirror a layer in Photopea.